Welcome to part 3 of our fence building series. In part 1, I showed you how to build a great foundation to your fence. And in part 2, I showed you how to build the fence. And in part 3, I'm going to show you how to add some style to your fence using a really simple technique. What you'll find in most backyards is a vertical fence. Very nice, clean and simple. But maybe you want to add a little bit of style to yours. I'm going to show you how to add a cool little scallop using a deck board. Cut it to length so it fits up underneath the top plate. And all we're going to do is create an arch that goes across. You can do 2 arches, 3 arches, whatever you want. But I'm going to show you how to do it using a really simple technique. Mark 8 inches in on your board, and then mark 1 inch up. This is going to give you your first mark. Then go to the opposite end of your board, mark 8 inches in again, and 1 inch up. Find middle of your board. Now mark 2.5 inches up. From here, you're going to put in 3 screws on each one of these points, and then you're going to bow in either a piece of PVC pipe, or what I've got is a long, thin strap of wood. Something nice and flexible is going to work really well for this application. Now, trace your pencil along this arch, holding it still so it creates a perfectly even arc. Next, remove your 3 screws and take your jigsaw and cut across the path. Once you've finished the cut, lightly sand the raw edge, and then apply cut and seal. Now all that's left to do is to take your scallop board and install it, and sit back and relax and enjoy your new stylized fence. Well, that concludes our fence building series. Be sure to check out parts 1 and 2 to see how I do the foundation and how to build the fence. Also, make sure you like and subscribe.